Hello, people from the other side. Welcome to a new video of it all. Yes, that's right. As you can see, there's polishes within polishes. Yes, there is. And this is rainbow of it all. Yes, I'm doing some rainbow nails. Just fun. I give a little bit of fun to it all. So I saw some nails and they were like triangular French, like that. So I thought, why not? And both hands were actually different, though I didn't do it like they did, which was one was all rainbow in a rainbow each nail, and then the other one was green and blue. But I wanted to go more of the rainbow, even more than they did. So what I'm going to do is I'm starting from here to here to here to here to here, and then you probably can't see these, but the yellow here, and then the orange, you can see it there. And what you might be seeing is I'm picking up two. One's a sparkle polish, one's not. I'm doing this, and then where the line meets, I'm doing a thin line of each color, and then I'm going to put like some kind of gem on some of them. So I'm doing from here to here to here to here, and then going from the green off the screen here, then the blue, and then this, which is going to be the same base as the other nail, but a different sparkle purple. So what I'm doing is one sparkle for each nail to go with it on each of my hands. So what I've decided to do is I like to do my hands differently-ish. So I'm doing the rainbow from here, or actually like this. Purple, or yellow, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then back to purple. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Rainbow of it all on these nails in a French, just because, yeah, why not? So let's get to it and get these bad boys on these naked nails of it all. To the first color of this nice purple of my rainbow. Going swish one way, swish the other to get that nice little bit of a triangle look. Now to the nice little bit of sparkle. And now to my other nail. This nice bright pink of it all. Doing the same thing. Swishing one way and swishing the other. Here we go. And now I decided to use this nice, awesome pink, which I consider a Barbie sparkle, in my opinion, when I first got it. Now to the next one. And this one's red. Yes, I've used kind of a darker red. And yes, the little bit of the triangle part with the French came out a little differently than the others. But here we go with this color that I decided was very close to it all. A lot of these sparkles are hollow taco sparkles, as you probably could have guessed by seeing the polished bottles. And I'm just outlining the little triangle area with that slight nice of a sparkle. I'm going on the sides, even swooping into the sides how it did it, lining it out. Now to my little pinky of it all, doing some bright orange. Yes, going as close as I can to a rainbow, but now to some gemmy gems. Yes, that's right, flower ones. And I happen to have flower ones of every single color. So here we go with my nice glue from Superdrugs. Put it on the one on my nice pink nail. And of course, I'm putting a pink gem of a flower on the pink one. Of course, it's slightly different. It's a lighter pink, but a lot of the other ones match even more. So there's that red of a one. Now to an orange. I didn't have a big orange, which is okay because this is a pinky, and the little one's actually better because of the real estate of the size. Now that I got those all on, everything is in. Of course, nice glossy taco of a time. Looking good. Rainbow every which way. Well, there we go. My nails are officially done. EOCO. Very, very glad that I was able to find a nice gem that was nice and colorful. This flower gem, and able to do every single one the same colored gem. To the red, to the orange, to the green, blue, purple, pink, and all. That is very awesome if I do say so myself. Granted, I did say I was going to start with my pinky with the purple, but it happened to be the other way around because I was going from here, 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 and here. So it's been the opposite of what I said, but that is fine. But I got a good rainbow going from my left hand to my right hand, to my left hand to my right hand, and maybe my right hand to my left hand, my right hand to my left hand, depending on how you see the rainbow of it all. But if I do this, you're seeing the two purple ones together. But yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome of this. So glad. I'm like, okay, that's how I'll do the shape, and I'll do it like a French, do all that stuff, and this is what has come of it, and I love, love, love it. If I do say so myself. Even if my top coat was being a little finicky, that's the only thing about the top coat I have been using, as it can get thicker than I need it to be, so it can become bad faster. As you can see, there's that much of the bottle. But yeah, I'm just going to put one of my thinner top coats on to kind of balance it all out after using that, so nothing would bleed. So I think that will help. And it's all that awesomeness is. So with that in mind, and it's probably just because it's slightly tricky to use sometimes. I think you have to beat it and not flatten it too much, because it's supposed to be puffy. But yeah, I just thought I would bring that up with that Berry M of a puffy top coat. But their base coat, amazing, amazing, amazing. Been using it for at least 3 weeks, almost a month. And I love it. I haven't had a single polish design, nail design that has come off, except for slightly where it makes sense. Mostly just cracking. So there is that as well. Just wanted to give a slight update on this. And this is amazing. Even with cheap polish that cracked pretty fast the first time I used it, but was cracking in a way that wasn't too bad, so I kept it. But this one and other ones, I've used better polishes, so they don't crack instantly somewhat, which is good. Looking like hairs, even if they're not. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy these bad boys of nails for the week or so. Feeling the pride of it, feeling the bright, and feeling the flowers. So all that and all these pastel are just bright, bright colors of it all. Not really pastel-y, but, you know, pastel on my thumbs, but that's beside the point. With all that and my rambling aside, I will see you next time. Sparkle, sparkle, bam!